Welcome to Management Fundas. Subject: Logistic and Supply Chain Management. In today's session, we will cover meaning of logistic supply chain management, definition, logistic versus supply chain management, importance of logistic, objective of logistic. Learning objectives. Learning goal are specifically understand the fundamentals of supply chain management, including its role in an organization and in integrating firms in a supply chain. Apply various analytical methods and tools so that students are able to measure and evaluate various facets of supply chain performance. Logistic. In a general business sense, logistic is the management of the flow of goods and services between the point of origin and a point of consumption to meet the requirement of customer or corporations. Meaning of logistic. Logistic is used more broadly to refer to the process of planning, implementing and controlling the efficient and effective flow and storage of goods and services from the point of creation to the point of consumption for confirming customer satisfaction. Logistic is concerned with getting the product and service where they are needed and when they are needed. The term logistic originated in the military, referring to the movement of equipment and supplies to troops in the field. Definition of logistic management. Logistic is defined as the part of supply chain that plans, implements and manages the forward and reverse flow as well as storage of goods, services and related information efficiently and effectively between the point of origin and consumption to meet customers' need effectively. Second definition, logistic refers to the overall process of managing how resources are acquired, stored and transported to their final destination. Logistic management involves identifying prospective distributors and suppliers and determining their effectiveness and accessibility. These are the two definitions of logistic management. Logistic versus supply chain management. Often these two terms are referred to be a same, but actually they are not same. Logistic and supply chain management are terms that are often used interchangeably, but they actually refer to two aspects of the process. Logistic refer to what happens within one company, including the purchase and delivery of raw material, packaging, shipment and transportation of goods to distributors, while supply chain management refer to a large network of outside organizations that work together to deliver product to customer, including vendor, transportation provider, call center, warehouse providers and others. Logistic is defined as a part of supply chain that plans, implement and manage the forward and reverse flow as well as the storage of goods, services and related information efficiently and effectively between the point of origin and consumption to meet customer need effectively. For logistic, the most important concern is to get right product to the right place at right time. For the supplier to the business or from the business to the customer, the role of logistic is everywhere important. You can see the picture of this logistic supply chain management: procurement, suppliers, manufacturer, warehouses, consumers, shareholders, sales and product development, and logistic is just the part of this entire supply chain management. But logistic is required in each area of the supply chain management. So supply chain management is a bigger picture and logistic is a small image of it. Importance of logistic management. Logistic management plays a vital part in operating your supply chain. How smoothly your logistic work will make a huge impact on your supply chain as a whole. With the correct logistic management in place, you can save time and money and deliver superior customer service. Logistic management is extremely important if your business is to be successful. It involves careful control of the goods, both leaving your business premises and entering them, thus keeping your company running smoothly as a whole. These are our top reasons to help perfect logistic management. Point 1. Provide top service to customer, lead to customer satisfaction. Good logistic management help business deliver better service to their customer. Correct management of your company logistics should make you strive to improve delivery time and offer better customer service to all those who buy your product. Dealing directly with your customer gives an advantage over competitor, but only if you give your customer what they want. Customer asks for better service and it is your job to deliver it. To meet the customer demand, you need to make sure you get your supplies or product on time and that you ship out products to your customers as quick as possible. Increase supply chains transparency. Greater visibility throughout your supply chain is one of the benefits of logistic management. You need to know what is happening at every stage of your supply chain. Take a closer look at your logistics to help you understand how everything operates. You can take a look at historical data and analyze real-time events too, gaining insight into how things would be improved and how to prevent problems. You could make some significant saving by monitoring your supply chain as well as delivering better service to your customer and any business partner. Improve efficiency and reduce cost. Whether you are dealing with logistics in the India or international freight logistics, you can improve efficiency and reduce cost with good management. Better supply chain transparency make it easier to spot where you might be going wrong as well as the aspects that your company is doing right. You can identify cost saving measures and keep your expenses lower by keeping a close eye on how everything is managed. Gain more control over both domestic and international freight, whether it's going or outgoing, for great efficiency and bigger saving. Greater revenue. Boost your revenue by improving your logistic management. If your company provides a better service to your customer, you can attract more business. Improve your brand reputation by delivering on your promises, never having to turn a customer away or let them down. With greater productivity, you can do more with your time, allowing your business to handle more orders than ever before. People want a quick and accurate service from a company that does what it says it will do. Logistics help business create value. Key logistic strategy do more than promote positive result for your business. This strategy also create value for your customer. The better you are at making your product more available to the customer, the more valuable you can make your commodities. Raising demand also raises the value on certain items as they become available on the global scale. Be sure to review your strategy when issues negative impact your customer. By dealing with issues on the distribution of transportation side, you can add value for them. If issue like warehouse overload continuous impact certain customer, you can adjust to provide better service and resolve these problems. Logistic reduce expenses for effective cost accounting. Another big challenge in supply chain management is operating cost. This can be challenging to manage in your cost accounting procedure, but with a good logistic program, you can maintain this cost and reduce expenses in areas like climate control, warehousing and transportation. A good strategy can also eliminate large expenses entirely, so you can take more to the bank. Logistic improve warehouse management. The more effectively you manage your logistic, the better your warehouses management will be as well. Your warehouse operation are highly dependent on the type of good. If you distribute perishable goods like food, your logistics strategy should develop a warehouse inventory plan that minimize the wastage of goods. By working with a third-party logistic provider, you will have a full visibility of the priorities and weak points in your business so that you can create effective solution. Logistics strategy strengthen customer loyalty. Competitive edge. Your business may already be able to attract new customers through your robust, strong marketing strategy. However, it is important to boost your logistics strategy to strengthen your customer loyalty. If you generate new leads but fail to make them repeat customer, your business will not grow as you plan. You need to make sure you consistently get your order in on time and resolve customer issue quickly. You need to make yourself a dependable company in order to maintain your customer base and have a steady stream of revenue. A solid logistics strategy guarantees that you can repair areas in your supply chain that are not dependable enough for your customers. Logistic plans help you to deliver products on time. Did you know that late deliveries can lead to the loss of customer? Company like Amazon thrive by offering same day shipping and getting their product to their customer on time or before. They provide tracking information so customer can prepare for the arrival of their order, and their features helps them measure their expectation. By working with a third-party logistic provider, you can stay competitive and meet your customer expectation. On-time delivery should be one of your primary goals. Making sure your product arrives to your customer on time is affected by several factors which include lead time management, inventory management and supplier management. Logistics is the bedrock of trade and business. Trade and business is not possible without buying and selling of goods. It is possible only when goods are physically moved into a market or away from the market. If there is no logistical support, trade and business will collapse. Hence, logistics is considered as a bedrock fundamental support for trade and business. Thus, logistics is a bridge between customer demand and physical supply of product and service, and a proper logistics system is a vital for the success of the organization. These are the importance of logistics. Objective of logistics. Logistics manage the whole life cycle of a product, starting from where it is acquired, then distributed, allocated and finally delivered. They exist in virtual every industry. Typically, logisticians do the following. Foster business relationship with both supplier and customer. Strive to demand what customer need are, understand them and how to make sure they are met. Rapid response to satisfy customer requirement. Customer order in a timely order. Minimum variance between actual logistic performance and expected logistic performance. Find the cheapest and fastest way to move goods. Assess each logistic functions and try to improve those identified as needing improvement. Present plan, assignment and performance data to management. Make suggestion and proposal to management and customer regarding improvements. Keep informed regarding latest advances in logistic technology and incorporates new technology into a current procedure. Movement consolidations involves grouping up of small shipment into single large shipment. Movement consolidation helps to reduce transportation cost. Act as a product lifecycle support in a form of after sale service and reverse logistics. These are the objectives of logistic. Okay, how logistic help us in different area. So what we have learned in this session is that meaning of the logistic, definition of a logistic versus supply chain management, importance of logistic, objective of a logistic. That's all in today's session. Signing off. For more management concept, subscribe to Management Funda channel. Thank you.